Softail ride like a hardtail? BAM! This is what you need right here. Stay tuned. Hey, it's Chase with another Legend Tech Tuesday, and in this video we're talking about the REVO AST. This is going to be for the 2000 to 2017 Softails, which you will see pop up right here. This shock is going to be an awesome alternative for the Softail models. If you are not looking for air suspension, you just want a good direct replacement coil shock, this one is going to wow you. It's got a ton of awesome features. It's going to be preload adjustable up top. That is outlined in the install guide. You've got a couple of little witness marks here on the top. Those are going to tell you exactly where that preload's set, so you can match up both of those shocks. Two different spring rates. You got an 850, which is standard. You also have a 1000 spring rate, and that's going to be for your 2-up riding or for just heavier riders in general. That is outlined on the website, as well as in just about any shop can get you that information on where those changing points are between those two spring rates. You're also going to have some rebound adjustment on this model here. You've got numbers 1 through 3 to further fine-tune your ride. This is going to be a ton of great characteristics of the air shock in a coil shock package. This is going to be a stock height shock, so it really isn't going to raise or lower it. It's going to have a sag range of about 3/4 of an inch to 1.25 inches. That's going to get you into a nice comfortable spot into the travel of this suspension so that your wheel moves up and down correctly. And again, just another price point here. If you're not looking at air suspension, or you don't need to raise and lower that bike or really adjust it on the fly too much, this is going to be an awesome option. Super install. It's a piece of cake. It's literally a couple of bolts. You get 2 of these in the kit. You're going to put these on. You're going to set the sag. You sit down on that bike, have somebody just adjust this for you. Those instructions are outlined in here. So it's very, very simple. It's a half of 1 sheet of paper. This is a great option as an alternative to air suspension. Even if you have old stock suspension and you want to really wake the bike back up, a lot of times you don't necessarily need a new bike. You actually just need new shocks. And instead of starting over with a new bike with stock shocks, this is going to outperform any stock bike that you're going to find. And it's a much cheaper alternative. 100% made in America, lifetime warranty, fully serviceable, fully rebuildable item. Check them out, legendsuspensions.com. Check in with your local motorcycle shop. Shoot us an email if you have any questions. It's service@legendsuspensions.com. We're happy to help you. Be a legend. We'll see you next time on Tech Tuesday. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, that was working on my ventriloquism act. It's not even a dummy. I'm the dummy. Did you record all that? Oh my god. Camera 1, camera 2.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.